Myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 5, entrepreneurship. Okay, in this lecture I am going to discuss entrepreneur motivation, training for entrepreneurship development. Okay, these concepts I am going to discuss. Okay, so next, motivation. Okay, entrepreneur motivation is related to what? Inner urge of the present in individual. Okay, that motivation is present in every individuals. Okay, which demands, okay, there's some demand for him, okay, to do the some new things, okay, something unique, and also perform the better than the others. Motivation is a force that influences the efforts of the entrepreneur to achieve his objectives. Okay, he is motivated to achieve his excellence in a job performance. He is further motivated by the reward in terms of the profit only. Okay, so entrepreneur can also achieve the motivation by the some motivators. First one, achievement. Okay, satisfaction through the achievement. Advancement, satisfaction through the advancements. Okay, and also responsibility and authority, recognition, working conditions, personal life, interpersonal relations, status, company administration, and company policies and government supports. Okay, and also interpersonal relationships, status, company administrations. Okay, and also there is a company policies, government supports, and also economic growth. Okay, and also improvement in the productivity will be there, and new technologies, product and services, etc. Okay, that involves in the entrepreneur motivations. And also training and training for the entrepreneurship development. Okay, for a proper training is required for the success of any industry in a production techniques, management, marketing, and other aspects. Okay, small industry services institutes and their extensions centers are organizing the trainings. Okay, to improve technical skills and workers. Okay, and also for acquainting the entrepreneurs with the advancement production and management techniques. Okay, and also for a small industries organizing the trainings to improve the technical skills and the workers. Okay, and also for gaining the entrepreneurs with the advanced production and management techniques. Okay, these are the trainings should be provided. Okay, and also some practices to be given to the entrepreneurs development of the entrepreneurship. Okay, and also product oriented courses to be done, sports goods, okay, footwear, paint, varnishes, like that. Okay, product oriented. Okay, and also heat treatment. Okay, some courses to be made. Okay, tool making, fitter, sheet metal, pattern making, carpentry. Okay, like that. Okay, in this session we have discussed entrepreneur motivation and training for entrepreneurship development. Okay, thank you.